Here's Darcy at Gymboree, crawling. We're just at open gym time. Whoops! Sometimes she goes a little too fast for herself. It's hard to get to things. But she loves to crawl towards balls. And Daddy likes to make it challenging. So she can have lots of fun. Good job, Darcy, you did it! Good job! We see you! Can you turn? Whoa, good job! Oh no! Can you get it? Good job! Yeah! You hear the good music? Good job, Darcy. Yeah, you see your daddy. Good job. Ooh, what's that? The song change? Oh, excuse you. There's another one. Go get it. Go get it. Good job. You did it. Woohoo! Yay, Darcy! Boom. Good job.